Hello friends, welcome to Avian Decor. We'll talk in this video top 10 air purifying plant. Let's start. Some of the best air purifying indoor plants not only beautify living spaces but also act as efficient filters and cleaners. Additionally, they release more oxygen. Most air purifying house plants are relatively low maintenance and can thrive in a variety of environments. You just have to remember that every plant is different and may or may not need different kinds of care. When you are trying to figure out where to place these plants, know that they need ample sunlight in order to produce the right amount of oxygen for indoor spaces. So, place them in areas with good indirect sunlight that will not scorch their leaves. These plants are suitable for indoor office and home spaces, making them quite versatile and fun to play around with while decorating. Additionally, strategically placing air purifying indoor plants in areas prone to pollutants, such as kitchens and living rooms, can maximize their effectiveness in filtering the air. In bedrooms, choose air purifier plants known for their oxygen-releasing properties, such as snake plants or peace lilies, to promote better sleep quality. Money plant. Money plants offer the best benefits of purifying indoor air and removing airborne pollutants such as formaldehyde, benzene, xylene and carbon monoxide from indoor air very effectively. It is a great natural purifier of air and helps a lot in improving the health of you and your family members. It can bring a breath of fresh air to your home and maintain your good health. Thus, money plants are given a lot of importance in feng shui. Next, snake plant. One of the most attractive and highly hardy indoor plants. It can easily thrive in low to extreme light conditions. This plant can survive without water, even for weeks. This plant has a funny nickname, mother-in-law's tongue. Next, peace lily. Peace lily, also known as spathiphyllum, is one of the most popular indoor plants. It brightens up the living space and also removes toxins from your house. It is one of the easiest flowering indoor plants. Peace lily is more favorable to underwatering than overwatering. It requires fertilizing only once to twice a year. The plant performs very well in low to medium sunlight. Next, spider plant. This is an easy and fast-growing, elegant indoor plant. The plant has an extremely dense and thin leaf pattern, which is very similar to a spider web. And that's how this plant has derived its name. The plant is an extremely low maintenance plant. This plant looks extremely beautiful in hanging pots too. Next, rubber plant. A vibrant, hardy yet beautiful indoor plant. This plant is also known as Ficus elastica. It grows in indirect sunlight conditions and requires minimal to low watering. This plant's leaves are soft, dark brown, stunning, and feel extremely delicate on hands. Make sure that you clean the leaves regularly to give them a polished look and feel. Next, Areca palm. A Madagascar origin flowering plant that has gained recent popularity is an air purifying plant. It is a widely popular foliage indoor plant that has beautiful long, lush green leaves. The leaves are pointed and grow outwards and have a tall and beautiful appearance when placed indoors. Next, Peperomia obtusifolia. This indoor plant grows fastly and easily in indirect bright light or artificial lighting conditions. This requires frequent watering, but we are sure that you will get bored over these plants. The plant effectively filters out benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene, and toluene from your home and gives you rich oxygen-filled air. This indoor plant grows well in the summers. Next, Syngonium, a feng shui approved house plant that has stunning dark green to light green leaves. The big wide leaves are a total delight to the eyes. The plant requires watering on demand. That means only when the topsoil is dry, then only you should water this plant. Make sure that you clean the leaves regularly to give the perfect rich look to the Syngonium plant. Next, Philodendron. This is another outstanding low-light plant that must feature in the category of air-purifying plants. This plant clears formaldehyde from the surrounding environment. It can easily thrive in artificial to low-light conditions and requires minimal watering. The plant has beautiful heart-shaped leaves, and thus it is also called a sweetheart plant. This plant has got many other leaf patterns like elephant leaves, ceylon leaves, and likewise. Next and last, Chinese evergreen. This plant is also known as the Aglaonema plant. As the name suggests, this is truly an evergreen plant. This plant has over 100 varieties, and it is truly a spectacular plant in every sense. This is a low-watering plant that thrives in indirect bright light conditions. This plant filters out benzene and formaldehyde from your surrounding area.